Hey, fourth graders, welcome to Unit 8, Lesson 4. This one is called the coordinate plane. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, this is one of my favorite topics in math. The reason for that is it's a lot of fun, and it's really good for you visual learners out there like me. So we use a coordinate plane to plot points. Now, points are these dots with a corresponding letter that you see here. Now, an ordered pair is used to describe the location of any of these points in the coordinate plane. An ordered pair, obviously you know that that's going to be two numbers. A pair is two. Not a fruit, sillies. Now, an ordered pair consists of two coordinates. Coordinates is like the fancy term. Now, the first coordinate represents distance along which axis. So this horizontal axis is called the x-axis. Now what I want you to remember today is that it's important that the first number in your ordered pair belongs to the x-axis. Basically, you have to move horizontally before you can move vertically. So then the second coordinate in an ordered pair represents the distance along the y-axis, which is the vertical axis. So your points will basically be every time x, comma, y, corresponding to the numbers on each of those axes. The key thing to remember is think about yourself going into the new fancy hotel that you're going to be staying at for your vacation. You have to go into the elevator before you can go up. Always remember that. In the elevator, then up. So the origin, which is another vocabulary term you need to know, of the coordinate plane is at the point 0, 0. So basically your starting point will always be right here, 0, 0. So if you have a point that's 0, 5, that means they didn't go in the elevator. They just have like superhuman jumping strength and they popped all the way up to level 5. But let's say you have the coordinate 5, 0. Well, that means you must have been on the very bottom floor of your hotel because you just walk over 5 points and boom, you're there at your room. So let's move on to the next slide to get some practice with these coordinate planes. So here we see the coordinate plane from the first slide with all of our plotted points. We are going to figure out where the location is using an ordered pair to find point B. So point B is here on the coordinate plane, which means, remember, you have to go in, always remember that, in, then up. So the first point on my graph, I noticed I had to go in 1, 2, 3 spots. So that's going to be the first point. Remember, x, comma, then the y. So, and they're always in parentheses with a comma separating them is how you write this too. So we went over 3, and then we also go up 3. So point B is located using the ordered pair 3, 3. All right, what about point C? Okay, so here's point C. That corresponds to, if I look on my x-axis here, okay, so they went in 9 first, so 9 is my first point. And then after they went in 9, they went up 10. So the ordered pair here is 9, 10. Point D is located here on our coordinate plane. So you can see on the x-axis that lines up with 8, so that means they went in 8. And then only up 1, because it corresponds to 1 on the y-axis. So 8, 1 is the point for point D. Point L, is located here. Okay, so here's one of those examples of the superhero jumping strength. It didn't go, so this person did not go in to the hotel at all. They just, boom, jumped straight to the straight to the y-axis. So that means the first coordinate here is actually going to be 0. They didn't go in at all. They just went straight up to floor 7. So 0, 7 is the point for point L. Point M, I see corresponds to the 6 on the x-axis. That means they moved in 6 points. So we'll get that ready. 6, make that look better, comma, and then that corresponds to the 5 on the y-axis. So 6, comma, 5. So in 6, up 5. Point N. Okay, so point N is one of those where they just went in on the bottom floor of the hotel, and then they didn't go up any at all. So they went in 5 first, and then we put 0 for the y-axis. They didn't go up any floors, so that's 5, 0. Point R, I notice, so they went in 2, so that's our first number, 2, comma, and let's see, point R, so in 2 and up 6. Okay, so 2, 6 is the ordered pair. And finally, the last one I'm going to show you here is point S. For point S, I see on the x-axis, that's with 7, so that means they went in 7. And then let's see how far they went up. So after they went in 7, they went up to floor 8. All right, so 7, 8 is the ordered pair for point S. Now, this time, we have to plot the points on the coordinate plane. So I'm going to put a point called J at 5, 4. So remember, you need to go in the hotel, so 5 before I can go up. So I got in the elevator, 5, up 4. All right, so I'm going to plot that point here, 5, 4, and label that with a J. All right, next one. Point Q needs to be at 1, 9. So I'll go in 1 and up 9. All right, plot that point next and label that with a Q. Point Y needs to be at 2, 0. Okay, so they're on the bottom level. So they just go in 2 and don't move at all. So their point is going to be right on the x-axis there. Okay, and that's point Y. Point W needs to be at 0, 4. Okay, so here's the superhuman strength jumper. So they don't go in at all. They just, whoom, fly right up to the 4th floor. All right, so I'll label that with a W. Like, wow, they jumped that far. All right, point K is at 4, 5. So they go in 4 and then up 5. Okay, put a point there and label that K. All right, and then the last one here, point R at 8, 3. So we'll go in the building 8 spots and up 3. All right. And that is the last one, point R. Key thing to remember is you go in, then up. X, then Y. Now you have a few like these where it has you plot points at certain spots, label them, and then connect them with lines that form a quadrilateral or 4-sided shape. So let's see what this one makes. Point A is at 110, so they go in 1 and all the way, almost to the top floor. 110, point A. Okay, point B has to be at 1-7, so in 1 and up 7, okay. And that's point B. Ooh, my point got a little crazy. There we go. And then C is at 8, 10. So go in 8 up to 10. Okay. Right there. That's C. And then point D, 8, 7. So over 8 and up 7. Okay. So when I look at this, I can already kind of tell what quadrilateral it's going to form once I connect my dots. We formed a rectangle. Yay! All right, 4th graders, on your ticket today, I've placed a few points on a coordinate plane for you, C, V, H, Z, B, and L, and I'd like you to write the ordered pair that represents the location of each of these points. Remember that your ordered pair needs to be written with the x coordinate first, with a comma in between, the y coordinate second, and parentheses around the 2. Remember, you have to go in the building before you can go up.